Hey, this is Backpacker from Worldtripco. Hey, there are some top 7 places must visit in Sri Lanka. Before getting into the video, just check out our website if you are planning for a trip, and the link is given below in description. First in the list is Colombo. Colombo is the commercial capital and largest city of Sri Lanka, situated on the west coast of the island. It has one of the largest artificial harbours in the world and handles the majority of Sri Lanka's foreign trade. Its famous landmarks include Gallifrey Green Planetarium, University of Colombo, Dehiwala Zoological Garden, Colombo Lotus Tower, etc. Kirinda Beach. Kirinda Beach is a small but charming town on the southeast coast of Sri Lanka. A magnificent view of the sea with its long stretch of beach can be seen on top of the rock. The sea at the bottom of the rock boulders is very rough and beautiful. People can relax on the rock area, however, the rock area is under hot sunshine. Kokala Beach. Kokala is a small coastal town situated at the edge of a lagoon on the south coast of Sri Lanka. It is bounded on one side by a reef and on the other by a large lake. The open blue waters at Kokala Beach is one of the most popular destinations for water sports. The best time to visit is from May and December. Negombo Beach. It attracts visitors from across the country as well as the globe, and it is called as the Little Rome of Sri Lanka. If you want to take a break from the sand and surf, you can explore the many stores and little shops to take back home as gift and reminders. National Park. It is mostly known for its incredible elephant migration, which is one of Asia's finest wildlife experiences. During the months of June to September, 300 elephants gather around the ancient Mineria water tank. Apart from elephants, it is also home to several mammals, birds, reptiles, and different kinds of plant species. The best time to visit this park is from May to September. Tengal Beach. Tengal Beach is the perfect place to go for a peaceful and quiet vacation. And perfect stretch of sand and a constant crash of waves make the area popular with both sun seekers and surfers. Take a break from the sun worshipping and wander nearby among the secluded rocky coves, the water at your feet. Adams Peak. Adams Peak, also known as Sri Pada and Samanila Ganda, is a cone-shaped mountain in the central islands of Sri Lanka. It takes an average of 2 to 3 hours and it particularly steep towards the top, although it quite safe as there are handrails to hold on. The best time to climb is between December to May and timings are morning 7 to evening 5:30. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Worldtripco for more videos. Keep watching Worldtripco and keep traveling.